Unleashing the power of international trade, the potential of the Zimbabwe-Iran relationship is a gold mine waiting to be tapped. The story unfolds with Vice President General RET Dr. Constantino Chiwenga leading a Zimbabwean delegation to the Iran-Africa Economic Conference in Tehran, a global trade symposium attracting over 3,000 foreign business representatives. The conference runs alongside the Iran Expo 2024, a testament to Iran's commitment to fortifying trade and economic ties worldwide. The vice president and his entourage embarked on a grand tour of the expo, exploring exhibition stands that spanned 7 major sectors, ranging from agricultural equipment to construction and pharmaceuticals. The health sector in particular sparked great interest, with the delegation noting the potential for establishing medicine production within Zimbabwe. High-tech hospital equipment such as cancer machines and dialysis machines were also on the wish list. Agriculture, a cornerstone of Zimbabwe's economy, was not overlooked. The delegation discovered advanced cattle development techniques, which could potentially double the size and quality of their livestock. This innovative technology, alongside top-tier tractors ideal for rural industrialization, were among the many highlights of the visit. Despite the current low trade volume between Zimbabwe and Iran, the vice president saw the potential for a joint venture in tobacco processing, noting that the Iran Tobacco Company has been importing Zimbabwe tobacco for over a century. Encouraging discussion between the Minister of Agriculture, the chairman of TIMB, and their Iranian counterparts, a joint venture would enable value addition and beneficiation of machinery in Zimbabwe. In its 6th year, the Iran Expo serves as a platform for dialogue and collaboration, shaping a new narrative for trade and economic future. It aims to strengthen Iran's trade and economic ties with other nations, boost domestic manufacturing, and propel the private sector onto the global stage. In conclusion, the Zimbabwe-Iran trade relationship bears immense potential. From health to agriculture, the opportunities for growth and development are vast. It is through such international collaborations Zimbabwe can tap into new technologies, add value to its produce, and ultimately elevate its economic standing on the world stage.